use Cramer's rule first. We have substitution method and elimination method. We start with Cramer's rule. Solution. First, we write our matrix, which is like this. The coefficient of x is 2 and 4. The coefficient of y is 3 and minus 1 equals to the constant, which is what? 13 and 5. Okay? We find the determinant of the coefficient of two variables, which is x and y. Determinant d is equals to 2 times minus 1. 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. Minus 4 times 3, we're going to have 12. Determinant is equals to minus 2 minus 12 to give us minus 14. So now we're going to find the determinant of x. Determinant of x will replace the coefficient of x with the constant, which is 13 and 5. At this point, we're going to draw so that we will not be confused. 13 and 5 to replace the coefficient of x, then the coefficient of y is 3 and minus 1. Okay, so therefore the determinant of x will be equals to 13 times minus 1, we have minus 13. Minus 5 times 3, we have minus 15. At the end, the coefficient of the determinant of x will be minus 28. Right? The next thing is to find the determinant of y, which is equals to, let's also replace it with the constant, which is 13. We'll write the coefficient of x first, which is 2 and 4. Replace y with the constant, which is 13 and 5. Okay? After replacing it, you find the determinant, which is equals to 2 times 5 is 10 minus 4 multiplied by 13, you have 52. Then 10 minus 52, you have minus 42. Now finally, to get the value for x, you divide the determinant of x by the ordinary determinant, which is what? Determinant of x is minus 28 divided by minus 14, which is the ordinary determinant, which is this. Okay, you divide by this. Right, at the end of the day, we have ordinary 2 as the value of x. Then y equals to determinant of y divided by ordinary determinant is equals to minus 42 divided by minus 14, which is equals to 3. That means the value for x and y in this simultaneous equation is 2 and 3. So that is what we have. So x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. That is their answer. Now let's use substitution method. We want to use substitution method for this simultaneous equation. What we look at is the easiest equation from equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 2 is better to use to transform. So we transform equation 2 in this way. We have minus y is equals to 5 minus 4x. So multiply all through by minus so that we can get value for y. Y is equals to minus 5 plus 4x. At this point, you substitute this value for y in equation 1. Substitute this value for y in equation 1. That's why we call it substitution. So that means we now have 2x plus 3 times y. Our y is minus 5 plus 4x plus the bracket. At the end of the day, it's equals to 13. Sorry. Now, at the end of the day, we have 2x plus 3 times minus 5, you have minus 15. Plus 3 times plus 4x, you have plus 12x equals to 13. So at the end, we're going to collect like terms at this point. We collect like terms, 2x, bring this one to this side, which is 12x equals to 13 plus 15, because 15 has crossed to the right hand side. Okay, so when you add these two together, we have 14x equals to 28. Divide both sides by 14 so that we can have the value for x. When you cancel this, you cancel this. Our x9 is equals to 2. Right? Let's get the value for y. Remember, our y is equals to minus 5 plus 4x. Right? Replace x with 2. Y is equals to minus 5 plus 4 times 2. Right? 4 times 2. So now y is equals to minus 5 plus 8. Therefore, our y is equals to 3. At this point again, we have x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. The same answer, different method. Let's look at the elimination method. We want to use an elimination method. We're trying to look at the coefficient that we can easily eliminate. Like now we can multiply equation 2 by 3 in order to form equation 3. Why do we do that? We are doing that because we want to make sure that 3y, we have 3y here, we also have 3y here, and that will make elimination to be possible when we have the same coefficient of one number from different equation. Elimination can be possible. So we are going to multiply equation 2 by 3 to form equation 3. So 3 times 4x we have 12x. Then 3 times y we have 3y. 3 times 5 we have 15. And this makes it equation 3. Now we are going to work with equation 1 and equation 3. Okay? We can bring equation 1 together. This is 2x. 2x plus 3y equals to 13. This is our equation 1. We can add them together so that elimination can take place. If we add them together, 12x plus 2x we have 14x. And this will cancel themselves. We're going to have 0 here. Right? So, and this will give us 28. So by the time we have 14x equals to 28, we divide both sides by 14. Okay, 14 cancel 14. Our x is equals to 2. We have 2 again. Then you in equation 3 or in equation 1, let's use equation 1. In equation 1, x 2x plus 3y equals to 13. Let's replace x with 2. That means 2 times 2 plus 3y equals to 13. At the end we have 4 plus 3y equals to 13. But let's like 10. 3y equals to 13 minus 4. That means we have 3y equals to 9. Divide both sides by 3. At the end we have y equals to 3. So finally our x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. 3 different methods. 3 different methods for the same answer. So whatsoever method you want to apply, you can use it. Either Cramer's rule, substitution method, elimination method, you can get the same answer. Thank you for watching the video to the end. I want you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.